Okay, so everyone, the last time we talked about introduction to HTML, how to create a simple HTML document. On this video, we'll be talking about attributes. So let's click on our folder introduction. Now, attributes they provide additional information to our elements. And what are our elements? Our elements are those things or contents that are contained in our tag. So let's create a new file called attributes. Save it as attributes.html. Okay, click on your attributes. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to enter your HTML snippet or your declaration. Let's open it again. So just click on here and it will display your HTML simple document. Okay, as you can see, we started with our doc type HTML, then HTML language. So as you can see, that's a normal simple HTML document. So the attribute here talks about additional information about our elements, right? So let's create our first heading, which is h1. Close it. So what should be our heading? Let's put Dios restaurant. So that's our heading. Paragraph. Open. Okay, let's say we sell all kinds of food. Okay, let us save it and play. Play. So as you can see, you have Diet restaurants and the paragraph is we sell all kinds of food. Okay, so let's go back. I want to add an attribute and additional information. So I want to upload a picture. And for us to upload a picture, there's an attribute to have to bring in, which is the Src. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, I want to bring a picture inside that is depicting maybe our food. So let's import a picture into this our folder. Let's bring in a picture. Okay, import a file. So I'm going to import a picture now. Let me import this picture. Okay, so this is a picture, images 2022. So I'll rename it here. To rename this, you long press the image, the picture. When you long press it to show this rename export, so just click rename. So I'll rename it as food. Now you know it is .jpeg there. That's the file type. So don't touch the JPEG there. That is food.jpg. That is the name. So I've renamed it. We now have food.jpg. Now go back to your attributes. Now I want to call in. We want that picture to display. Alright. So click enter. Now let me show you something. What I just pasted now is what? img src food.jpg. Then the width is 900 pixel. The height is 800 pixel. Now let me type it again for you. So opening tag img then space src, that's the source code, which means that this is an attribute who is bringing image, right? So click on this equal to and apostrophe. So now they're not asking that what's the value. So the name of the file of the picture is what? Food.jpg, right? So now the other side they're asking you the size, the width and the height. Width, click on this 900 pixel. Then what is the height? Let's say height is 800 pixel. Amazing. So since we have duplicate here, let's just delete one. Let me delete this one. Alright, so save, then play. So as you can see, Dio's restaurant, I have seen the picture there, and the paragraph is what? We sell all kinds of food. So that is the attribute that calls in the image you want to put. So if you know how to import and you know how to bring it into your HTML. Let's play it again. So as you can see, in that restaurant we sell all kinds of food, and this is the picture. So the next video will be talking about how to import from a folder, right? In this one we didn't even create a folder from, we just have a picture in this place here, food.jpg. So the next one will talk about how to import it, how to bring in our image from a folder we created.